Hello students, this is the second part of mind mapping. So open your books, page number 142, second last paragraph. Now listen carefully. True creativity is based on knowledge, which in turn is based on literacy. So what is creativity? Creativity, it means create something new. And this quality is based on knowledge, and knowledge is based on literacy. So what is the meaning of literacy? See here. It means ability to read and write. Our school, where children develop the literacy skill on which all further learning depends, are therefore not killing creativity but cultivating. See the meaning of this word, cultivating here. Cultivating, it means to try to acquire or develop it by providing the foundations. Foundation is the meaning of this word. It means basis or base. Foundations, young people need to be properly created. So what is the information is given here? Our school, where children develop the literacy skill on which all further learning depends, are therefore not killing creativity but cultivating it by providing the foundation young people need to be properly created. So in the school, our children are learning. Those children developing the literacy skill only. Why? For the further learning ahead, whatever the student's child is going to learn, for that our school developing literacy skill. Therefore, it is said that they are not killing students' creativity but cultivating it. It means developing it or acquiring it by providing the foundations, basis. What is the basis? Young people need to be properly creative. The evidence of how schools kill creativity, Robinson cites. See the meaning of this word, cites. Cites, it means mention as an example. Robinson cites the example of a young girl called Gillian Lynn, who at the age of 8 was already viewed as a problem student with a proper learning difficulty due to her inability to sit still and concentrate. So, for killing creativity of the students, here Robinson is mentioning, giving one example, and that is of a young girl, and the name of that girl is Gillian Lynn. This girl, at the age of 8, she was viewed, considered that she is a problem student and she is having problem or difficulties in learning. What kind of problems or difficulties she had? She was unable to sit still and concentrate on her learning, on her study. When her mother sought, see the meaning of this word sought? Sought, it means past tense and past participle of seek. So what is the meaning of seek? Look at here. Search for and find something. When her mother sought a medical explanation for Gallien's constant fidgeting, see the meaning of this word fidget? Fidget, it means to move around restlessly or impatiently or nervously, and lack of focus. The doctor suggested they speak privately. So when Gallien's mother went to a doctor and tried to find out what is the exact cause behind her such kind of behavior. So after doing some kind of treatment, the doctor said to Gallien's mother that come with me, I want to talk with you privately. As the two adults got up, it means stood up, to leave, the doctor turned on the radio. Left alone in the music-filled room, young Gallien began to dance. So when these two adults, the doctor and Gallien's mother, stood from their seat and started to leave from that room. So after that, the doctor turned on the volume of music in that room and left Gallien alone in that room. So what happened after that? After hearing that music, that young girl, Gallien, started to dance. Observing her through the window, the doctor turned to her mother. Gallien's not sick, he said. She is a dance. So from a window, the doctor and Gallien's mother were observing her, and when they saw that Gallien was dancing very nicely, so after that observation, the doctor said to Gallien's mother that she is not sick. She doesn't have any kind of problem. She is a great dancer. Today, at the age of 92, Gallien can look back on a long career in ballet dance. See the meaning of this word, ballet dance? Ballet, it means theatrical group dance. Ballet dance and musical theatre, which saw her become one of the world's most successful choreographers. See the name of this word, choreographers. It means a person who composes the sequences of steps and moves for dance. With hits like Andrew Lloyd Webber's Cat and Phantom of Opera among her many achievements. So, when the doctor said at the age of 8, after observing her from a window, that she is a great dancer, she is not sick, she didn't have any kind of problem. So, from that moment till now she is at the age of 92. So she had a lot of success in her life in that dancing field, and that dance is ballet dance. She became the world's most successful choreographer and gave a very good and hit musical dance to the world, such as her famous hit dance programs. Here are given two examples: Andrew Lloyd Webber's Cat and Phantom of the Opera. At her school had all but written her off. See the meaning of this word? Let me first explain it. Written off. It is the past participle of write off. So what is the meaning of write off? Write off, it means something or someone completely useless. Mistaking her extraordinary talent for some form of behavior problem or cognitive. See the meaning of this word, cognitive. Cognitive, it means acquire knowledge through thoughts, experiences, and the sense. Cognitive impairment. See the meaning of this word, impairment. It means weakness or damage. So 8. Today she is a very successful person in a ballet dance, and she gave very hit dancing events to the world. But even though today her school says that she is completely useless for the school learning, and her school. According to the Robinson, that her school is mistaking her extraordinary talent because she had some kind of problem in her behavior, some kind of weakness in her behavior. So after this, below that there is given a diagram, and this is also can be called mind mapping. See, this is the main subject and these are the different idea about that main subject. Suppose main subject is Gallian line. First idea, young girl, 8 years of age, problem student. Second idea, inability to sit still and concentrate. Third idea, medical explanation. Fourth idea, doctor turned on the radio, Gallian alone began to dance. Fifth idea, not sick but a dancer. And last idea, career at the musical theatre in ballet dance, world's most successful choreographer. School ignored her extraordinary talent. In this way, we can present mind mapping in a graphical form. So today we are going to stop here. Thank you very much.